Hello and welcome my friend, and then I am planning to show you that how to replace this Ford Duratec engines, these engine mountings. And there is really two of these engine mountings in this my car's engine, and let's go to open that one, and we have then in another side we have a little bit bigger engine mounting in there, but let's look at how we open that right side engine mounting. Okay, and then this engine mounting, this right side removal starts, so that I need 19mm socket and then long bar, because these bolts are tight in that way. And then I can also use my electric drill driver. I install my socket in here, and then I use this my electric drill. And note, these are these yellow locking bolts. There is this lock part, this yellow inside in there. And now this engine mounting, it is now free, and we can see that there is this lower bolt, and this is this elastic material, and if this is crack or missing, then we have mounting damage. But in that way we can take this right side mounting away, and let's go to look this left side also. And then in this left side area where we have this gearbox, there is this big engine mounting, and there is this rubber black elastic part, and there is 1, 2 of these bolts what keeps this engine mounting in here. And then there is one big bolt in here central, and there is 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts what we need to open, and then this fifth one, and then we can take that mounting away. And this is really big engine mounting, and if we can see in here any fractures or missing parts, we need to purchase this new part in here. And that kind of mounting information to you.